Welcome to the super fast Touchdesigner tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll create a chaotic metallic texture using techniques from previous videos. Follow along step by step to achieve the desired result, and feel free to experiment with the parameters afterward. All right, let's get started. Part 1. Network. If you're familiar with my previous videos, you'll know that I always start by showing you how to build the network before parameterizing anything. Okay, create a movie file in top. Next, connect a fit top. And at the output of the fit, we'll use a displace top. For the second input of the displace, connect the video signal directly without passing through the fit. Create a level top. Finally, we'll drag one of the components I created in my past tutorials. Go to the Touchdesigner palette and drag it to the network. Remember, if you want to know how I made it, I recommend watching the tutorial I'll put on the screen. Perfect. Let's add an out top at the end of the network so we can visualize it in the right panel. To do this, zoom out until you exit this level, connect an out, and activate the blue button to visualize it in the right panel. Okay, let's go back to our network and copy the following parameters for each operator. Before we continue, select all three operators and, in the Common tab, choose the option Parent Panel Size. This ensures that the entire composition matches the resolution of the container panel for this network. In the Fit operator, select Fit Outside. Go to the Common tab and select this pixel format. Select the Displace top and copy the following parameters. Go to the Level operator and copy these parameters. And to finish, we'll select the customizable component. I've named it Pseudo Liquid, but you can rename it as you like. Copy all these parameters exactly as I indicate. You can play around with the mirror. I'll leave it off. Alright, this banana looks crazy, but I've created some videos with the AI runway. I imagine you know how to do that, and since this is a Touchdesigner tutorial, it's not something I'll explain right now. Once you have everything ready, use the movie file in top and select any type of footage. I made some metallic flowers because I'm obsessed with these shiny textures. For this tutorial, I'm using the same component I created earlier. If you're interested in using it, you can find it on my Patreon page. Additionally, you can access the VJ packs that I upload weekly for free. A little reflection. I love to play and explore endless possibilities, but the technical and complex aspects of programming often frustrate me. Many things are still hard to understand. I've struggled with imposter syndrome while making these tutorials because I believed you had to be a top programmer or engineer to grasp everything in Touchdesigner. This belief is a limiting one. One of my biggest motivations for sharing these tutorials is to gradually show that we don't need to be expert programmers to create visual universes with Touchdesigner. I also hope more people in the design world lose their fear of this tool, which allows us to explore new frontiers in visual communication. However, my true passion is creating worlds, sensations, and emotions. I prefer to step away from the technical side, follow my intuition, and enjoy the process as much as possible. This is why I create customizable components, to allow more play and less time spent on technical details. I hope this resonates with you. Let me know in the comments.